Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and I am so excited to announce Christmas Day is coming. Well, for me, that's deployment day. Those are the days where you can grab exactly what you want. Whether it's the incredible Royal Loft suite here on a Quantum class ship, or one of the owner's lofts, the Grand Lofts. If you are looking for the ultimate experience in Alaska, it's gotta be Royal Caribbean Star Class. But those suites go really, really quick. So what we have down below is our contact form. If you fill it out now, you're gonna wanna let us know far before the deployment comes out in just a few days so that we can get it queued up and ready to grab that space the moment it becomes available. There is nothing comparable to Star Class service in Alaska or Sky Class as well. Royal Caribbean has some incredible grand suites, owner suites, 2-bedroom grand suites as well. So you can get all the amazing suite level amenities from coastal kitchen, the suite sun deck, which is just in front of me, and then of course the concierge lounge. But what I love about the Quantum class ships is they are built perfectly for Alaska. You've got the incredible solarium, so you've got an indoor and an outdoor pool. One of my favorite features in the entire industry, the North Star. You can imagine going up several stories above this incredible ship, cruising through the glaciers. You can see the incredible views, wildlife, those glaciers calving. It really is a dream come true for so many of our customers. But my most difficult thing is when somebody reaches out to us a week, 2 weeks after deployment comes out, and they say, Danny, I want that incredible Royal Loft suite, and it's gone. This space is gonna go quick. There is an incredible amount of pent-up demand. For this coming summer, there are no more Star Class suites left. I just had a customer looking for them today. They're all gone. So we want to get ahead of that for you. Same thing with Sky Class. If you are looking for a suite in Alaska, or frankly, if you're looking for any cabin, make sure you reach out to us right now, immediately. This is coming out in just a few days, and we want to grab that for you. Now keep in mind, we are your Alaska experts. I've been personally over 25 times. We have some great excursion options that you can check out on our channel. Of course, we have the Ovation of the Seas film, which is the twin sister of the Quantum, so you can see all of those different rooms, suites, and of course the entire full ship tour. Now the reason you want to pick Quantum class in Alaska is that they have so many unbelievable unique features that you're not going to find anywhere else. But of course, if you want to get one of those cruise tours where you're going northbound, southbound, there's some amazing options as well too from the Radiance class ships. Whatever it is that you're looking for, let us know ahead of time so that we can get it queued up, pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group, and of course, you're going to get it at an incredible value with the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.